Ayurvedic treatment for prostate disease. The prostate is a walnut-sized gland that lies between the rectum and the pubic bone. It surrounds the urethra at the urinary bladder opening and plays a role in processing seminal fluid. The prostate size usually increases as a process of aging. However, if there is a rapid growth in the prostate, then it may require medical intervention. Prostate cancer is common among males and can be treated at the initial stages. Cancer begins in the prostate gland that lies between the penis and the bladder. A non-cancerous growth in the prostate that takes place in men is known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. According to Ayurveda, an improper lifestyle can cause a prostate problem. Some of the factors that lead to cause prostate disease or prostate cancer are: not drinking enough water, sedentary lifestyle, improper fasting, too much use of coffee and alcohol, excessive sex, excessive use of bitter and pungent food. Symptoms of benign prostate hypertrophy: obstructive symptoms, hesitancy or delay in starting to urinate, a poor or intermittent stream of urination, straining to empty the bladder, terminal dribbling. The flow of urine continues after the mainstream has finished, sometimes in spurts or dribbles. Occasionally, a second large volume of urine is passed. Post-urination dribbles. A sensation of incomplete bladder emptying. Bladder irritability symptoms. Painful urination. High frequency of urination, day and or night. Urgency to urinate. Incontinence. Involuntary urination at night, nocturnal enuresis. Who's at risk? Prostate cancer can affect any man, as certain factors increase the risk of prostate cancer, and of which few are: older age, a family history of prostate cancer, obesity, genetic changes. Diagnosis. To diagnose prostate cancer, your doctor will check your previous medical issues and your family medical history as well. The doctor will conduct a physical exam to check the size and severity of the prostate. Moreover, a few blood tests and urine tests will be also performed to examine the prostate antigen specific (PSA) level. As for men, it can be high with the enlarged prostate gland and prostate cancer. Prostate treatment in Ayurveda. Ayurveda offers a holistic approach to dealing with an enlarged prostate. It primarily focuses on balancing the increased Vata dosha, improving the urinary system, and reducing the symptoms of enlargement. The treatment also helps to shrink the enlarged prostate and improves the life of a prostate patient. There are certain herbal formulations in Ayurveda that are effective to control the enlarged prostate. The formulations can be used at any stage without the risk of any adverse side effects. Prevention. Always take a healthy diet containing fruits and vegetables. Always perform regular exercises throughout the week. Always maintain a healthy weight. Consult your doctor about the increased risk of prostate cancer. Herbal remedies for prostate diseases. Some of Life Aveda's premium products, duly extracted from natural herbs, that are quite helpful to deal with prostate disorder and its symptoms. Premium Healthy Prostate. Healthy prostate is a unique composition of herbs that can help to keep the prostate healthy and promotes normal male urogenital functions. It eases the symptoms of an enlarged prostate by maintaining healthy PSA levels. Premium Saw Palmetto. Premium Saw Palmetto capsules support healthy prostate-specific antigen (PSA) levels which replenish male energy. This supplement uplifts prostate health, balances the hormonal levels, and prevents hair loss in males. Also, these capsules reduce inflammation and promote the healthy functioning of urinary tract organs. Premium Gokshura. Premium Gokshura capsules gives relief in benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or enlarged prostate gland due to its mutral, diuretic, and Sita, cold, properties. This helps to increase urine secretion and reduce the swelling and burning sensation during urination. For more information, visit our given website. You can take a free consult with our doctor. Order now. If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe our channel. To get such videos update, press the bell icon. Have a good day.